Welcome to this complete and detailed guide on how to install porcelain tiles on a kitchen wall professionally from start to finish. In this video, we will cover every stage of the installation process in great detail, providing practical techniques, professional methods, and useful tips that can help both beginners and experienced tile installers achieve outstanding results. Kitchen wall tiling is one of the most important finishing works in any home renovation or construction project. A properly installed porcelain tile wall not only enhances the beauty of the kitchen but also provides a durable, moisture-resistant, and easy-to-clean surface that can last for many years. However, achieving a professional finish requires careful preparation, accurate measurements, proper adhesive application, precise tile placement, and attention to every small detail throughout the installation process. The first stage of the project begins with evaluating and preparing the wall surface. Before installing any porcelain tiles, it is essential to ensure that the wall is structurally sound, clean, dry, and free from dust, grease, paint residues, loose plaster, or any contaminants that may reduce adhesion. In this video, we demonstrate how to inspect the wall carefully and identify potential issues that should be corrected. Before installation begins, proper preparation is the foundation of a successful tiling project and greatly contributes to the long-term durability of the finished work. After preparing the wall, we move on to measuring and planning the tile layout. Professional tile installation always starts with a detailed layout plan. Accurate measurements help determine the best tile arrangement, reduce material waste, and create a balanced appearance throughout the kitchen wall. You will learn how to establish reference lines, determine the center point of the wall, and position tiles strategically to achieve symmetrical results around windows, cabinets, countertops, and other kitchen features. One of the most important parts of this process is selecting the appropriate adhesive for porcelain tiles. Porcelain is denser and less porous than many other tile materials, making proper adhesive selection critical for a strong bond. In this video, we explain important considerations regarding adhesive preparation and demonstrate the correct mixing technique to achieve the ideal consistency. Proper adhesive preparation ensures maximum strength and long-lasting performance. Once the adhesive is ready, we demonstrate the correct method for spreading it onto the wall using professional tools. Applying adhesive evenly and maintaining consistent coverage are essential for preventing hollow spots behind the tiles. Hollow spots can lead to future failures, including cracks and loose tiles. Throughout the video, we explain practical methods for ensuring full support behind each tile and achieving a reliable installation. As the installation progresses, viewers will see how to place porcelain tiles carefully while maintaining precise alignment and uniform spacing. Professional tile installation requires constant attention to level lines, vertical alignment, and joint consistency. We explain how tile spacers can help maintain equal gaps and how frequent checks can prevent cumulative alignment errors that may become noticeable as the installation continues. Large format porcelain tiles often present unique challenges due to their size and weight. In this guide, we share useful techniques for handling larger tiles safely and efficiently while minimizing the risk of breakage or installation errors. You will learn how to position tiles accurately, make adjustments before the adhesive sets, and maintain an attractive, professional appearance across the entire kitchen wall. A significant portion of the video focuses on tile cutting techniques. Kitchen walls typically include obstacles such as electrical outlets, switches, plumbing fixtures, corners, cabinet edges, and decorative elements. Each of these areas requires careful planning and precise cutting. We demonstrate several cutting methods that can help achieve clean edges and accurate fits while reducing material waste. Proper cutting techniques are essential for creating a seamless finished appearance and maintaining the visual appeal of the installation. Corners often represent one of the most challenging aspects of kitchen wall tiling. In this tutorial, we explain how to approach inside corners, outside corners, and transitions between different surfaces. Proper corner treatment not only improves aesthetics but also contributes to the durability and structural integrity of the tiled surface. Viewers will learn practical methods used by professional installers to achieve clean, straight, and visually pleasing corner finishes. Throughout the installation process, we emphasize the importance of continuous quality control. Professional tile installers frequently check alignment, levelness, and joint consistency during every stage of the project. Small corrections made early can prevent larger problems later. We explain how to monitor installation accuracy and maintain high standards from the first tile to the last. Another important topic covered in this video is working around kitchen fixtures and features. Kitchen walls often contain multiple elements that require careful consideration during tile installation. We demonstrate how to plan tile placement around outlets, switches, countertops, cabinets, windows, and decorative trims while maintaining visual balance and minimizing difficult cuts. The video also includes detailed guidance on handling difficult areas where precise measurements are critical. These locations often require patience and attention to detail. We explain how careful planning can simplify these challenges and improve the overall appearance of the finished installation. After completing the tile placement phase, we discuss the curing process. Allowing adequate curing time is essential for developing a strong bond between the tiles and the wall surface. Rushing this stage can compromise the quality of the installation. We explain why curing is important and what factors can affect drying times under different conditions. Once the adhesive has cured properly, the next step is grout application. Grouting serves both functional and aesthetic purposes. It fills the joints between tiles, helps protect against moisture infiltration, and contributes to the overall visual appearance of the installation. In this video, we demonstrate professional grouting techniques, including proper mixing, application methods, joint filling procedures, and cleaning practices. Cleaning excess grout is a crucial step that significantly affects the final appearance of the tiled wall. We show how to remove grout haze effectively while protecting the tile surface and preserving clean grout lines. Proper cleaning methods help achieve a polished and professional finish. The finishing phase includes detailed inspection and final touch-ups. Professional installers understand that the smallest details often have the greatest impact on the final result. We carefully examine alignment, grout consistency, edge finishes, and overall appearance to ensure the highest quality standards are maintained throughout the project. In addition to installation techniques, this video shares valuable professional tips developed through years of practical experience in tile work. These recommendations can help viewers avoid common mistakes, improve efficiency, reduce material waste, and achieve better overall results. Whether you are completing your first kitchen tiling project or refining advanced skills, these practical insights can be extremely beneficial. Kitchen wall porcelain tiles offer numerous advantages, including durability, moisture resistance, stain resistance, easy maintenance, and modern aesthetics. When installed correctly, porcelain tiles can transform the appearance of a kitchen while providing a practical surface that remains attractive for many years. This video demonstrates how proper installation